Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today I am unboxing the Poco C55. I had bought this from Amazon at the price of 6499. I had applied ICICI Amazon Pay credit card. On that I would get the cashback of around 3%, so it would be around 6100 something, means almost 6200. So it's a budget phone, a budget 4G phone, in which we get 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage. Currently I am unboxing this box and see how the company has sent us the packaging and all. Just have a look on the phone and see what is inside the box. We have got the bill, and this is the first impression of this box. You can see the price is mentioned 6499. Okay, you can unbox the box right now. Here's the first front side of the box. Poco C55 model written. Here you can see it's a made in India product. It's a forest green color, 6 GB 128 variant. It's a Mediatek Helio G85, 50 megapixel AI camera, large screen, and 5000 mAh battery. It's a very huge battery. On box the MRP is written 13,999. However, I got it around 6,500. Here is the first impression of the mobile. It's in the plastic bag. It's the green in color, and back side there is a camera. Two cameras are there. One is 50 megapixel and secondary is 2 megapixel with the flashlight, and the Poco brand is written on the back side. On the front side you can get a 5 megapixel camera. At the bottom you can see there is micro SD USB type cable, and the mic and the speaker. On side there is a volume rocker and power on off key. On this side you get the SIM ejector. On top you will get a 3.5 mm jack. Let's see what is in the box. There is a one adapter which is a 10 watt adapter, and the one micro USB cord. And lastly there is a one SIM ejector pin with this. That's it. So guys, this is the all we get in this box. One mobile, one charger, one wire, and one SIM ejector too. I had purchased this from Amazon. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching.